Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis told the Legislative Council that there appears to be a plot behind a love jihad type incident in the state. He added that the term love jihad was first used by Christian priests from Kerala and should not be confused with ordinary mixed faith marriages. There is no question of opposing interfaith marriages which are entered into by mutual understanding, said Fadnavis. Fadnavis further added that the state government was keeping an eye on 50 statewide rallies of Hindu Jan Akrosh Morcha calling for anti-love jihad laws and will soon take the appropriate decision to introduce anti-love jihad laws after considering similar laws introduced by other states. Fadnavis said that the Interfaith Marriage and Family Coordination Commission set up by the Ministry of Women and Child Welfare will not replace existing laws and will be limited in scope to linking the families of girls like Shraddha Walkar, whose parents have been unable to contact her. Fadnavis said the new law against love jihad, which is being actively considered, is within the framework of the Constitution. Fadnavis also announced that the Director General of Police will be told to sensitize the police and soon a SOP will be issued for taking timely action in cases where parents complain their daughters have been cheated in alleged love jihad cases and can't be contacted.